Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can link your debit card or account in your PayPal account. So here's how you can link your card to your PayPal account. So just go to your wallet, click on the link a debit card or a credit card. Then you just have to follow the instructions to link your card. So here I'm currently at their official website. From here, you will see a video, so you can play on this one and see on how it can be done step by step. So here's how you can also link a card on your PayPal application. So just tap on accounts, then scroll down to linked bank and cards. So just tap on add new and then link your card manually or connect your PayPal account to your bank. So if you choose to link a card manually, you just have to enter your card details, or you can also scan your card. If you can link up to 4 cards to your unverified PayPal account. So when your account is verified, you can link up to 24 cards. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can link your card on your PayPal account. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.